Eco chocolate maker made sweet savings after switching to AESSEAL pump packing on 4 critical mixers, cutting costs by $2.6 million. Leaking braided packing at the Swedish company was damaging shaft sleeves on the chocolate mixers and causing costly downtime, with each unit requiring shaft replacements every 12 months. Between repair costs and lost production, the packing issues were taking a huge bit out of profits, costing $200,000 per month and delaying 672,000 kilograms of chocolate production annually, worth $2 million. AESSEAL recommended its trapezoidal cross-section packing, designed for reduced friction and heat. Since installation in March 2023, the solution has doubled the mean time between failures from 6 to 12 months, maximizing production and saving millions. If you like the taste of success, call AESSEAL